Ableton versus Cubase. In today's video, we are going to compare Ableton Live versus Cubase. Ableton Live have live performance in electronic music production, while Cubase has traditional studio production and recording option. Now, let's talk about their workflow. Ableton Live have session view for non-linear composition and improvisation, while Cubase have traditional linear time-based workflow. If we see their audio manipulation feature, Ableton Live have excellent real-time audio wrapping option, but Cubase have advanced editing and professional mixing tools. The fourth option is MIDI. Efficient MIDI piano roll and note writing is Ableton feature, but Cubase have more powerful and detailed MIDI arrangement capabilities. The fourth feature is learning curve. Ableton have easier to learning curve, but Cubase have a steeper learning curve due to its depth. You will need time to understand it. The fifth feature is routing. Ableton have streamlined and powerful audio group routing, while Cubase have more traditional but robust mixing and effect routing. So choose Cubase if you have a traditional music background and prefer a linear studio-focused workflow, or you need professional grade recording, mixing and MIDI editing tools for projects like film scores or rock music, or you prefer a DAW with a deep features that focused on precise audio and MIDI arrangement from the start. But choose Ableton if you perform live and need a tool for on-the-fly arrangement and performance, or you primarily make electronic music and want a fast loop-based workflow. If you value an intuitive interface and powerful audio wrapping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.